My name is Sophia. I'm originally from China, but I've been living in the States, and now I'm moving back to China. Yeah, at the beginning we were, my daughter and myself, so I use we. We were just thinking about learning some yoga. So we did some research online, and my daughter actually found Sattva, and we just came without too much expectation. But since we got there, everything was amazing. It's like wow. Everything is inspiring, and also I just feel it's mind-blowing. I feel it totally changed the way I see my life and myself. I just feel so grateful that we found this place, and then we came with an energy. I really can't use any word to describe my feeling about him, because it's beyond my imagination, beyond my knowledge, or anything that has happened in the past 50 years in my life. So I really feel it's like I'm experiencing a new life in the past 3 weeks. I feel can't get enough from what I learned, what I experienced at Sattva here. This is the best gift I can think of in my life that I gave myself and my daughter. Thank you.